equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Start by powering off your LG gram and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, carefully remove the back cover. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the back. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any internal components during this process. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to inspect for any visible damage or loose connections. If you notice any dust or debris, use the microfiber cloth to clean the area gently. A clean workspace is essential for a successful repair. Now, locate the screen connector. This is usually a flat cable that connects the screen to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable by gently pulling it out of its socket. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek expert help. Once the connector is removed, it's time to replace the screen. If you have a new screen ready, align it with the hinges and reconnect the flat cable to the motherboard. Ensure it's securely in place to avoid any future issues. After reconnecting the screen, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back cover back on and screw it in place using the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is tightly secured to prevent any rattling or movement. Before powering on your device, take a moment to double-check all connections and screws. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Now, power on your LG gram and check if the screen is functioning correctly. If everything is in order, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your screen. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before committing to any service. In summary, repairing your LG gram screen can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Always prioritize safety and cleanliness during your repair. If you need further assistance, remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you with your repair needs right from your home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.